Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Bro. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you get AI DJ on Spotify 2024. So to get AI DJ, at first launch your Spotify app. Now after launching your Spotify app, in the top here you can see there are two options, which is all and music. If you click on music like this, and if you don't find the AI DJ option, that means you don't have the premium plan of Spotify. So that means you need to purchase the premium plan on Spotify. So to purchase it, at first click the bottom last, the premium option, and here you can see get premium. You can also get 1 month free premium on Spotify. So just click on get premium. Now you can just continue with Spotify or Google Play. I'm continuing with Spotify. Now click on continue with Spotify. In the bottom there is green one. Here you can see the payment details are here. You need to add your card number here. After adding that, you need to add your card expiry date and your card security code. And if you want to purchase in the future, you need to just click on save card for future purchases, this option. And after that, just click on buy now. And after buying that, you will find the AI DJ on Spotify 2024. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.